So around 6 months ago, I installed some progressive springs by Hyperpro. Now I've had a chance to really ride the bike and get a feel for it, what it's like on and off road. I thought I'd just do a review. So now going down a hill like this is where the suspension, you're able to just tap the front brake, well hold the front brake essentially, and you get so much better feedback with having the stiffer springs. Whereas on the standard springs, it was just a bit too soft. So this is much better for slow control off-road. Having the stiffer springs is so much better off-road. Like the bike doesn't want to dive, I'm putting the front brake and the bike doesn't dive. And when the bike used to dive, it used to unbalance me, causing me to put a foot down or something, and you don't really want to be putting a foot down. So having the stiffer front springs really helps your slow control. Like I doubt you'd be able to do this with a stock suspension. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is with these progressive springs, that is so much better than having the standard ones, but it is primarily only noticeable at slower speeds. There might be a bit of improved braking, but I didn't do any testing, so I can't say that really. It does feel a bit better, but it might be just because you're getting so much better feedback from the front wheel, whereas on the standard springs it really is a bit too wishy-washy and a bit too soft. So much better off-road, especially going downhill. Oh, definitely worth the upgrade. If you're going to think about getting some, remember, it doesn't matter if you get the Hyperpro or Touratech. Hyperpro make all the springs, it seems. Even on Touratech website, they even say, look at these progressive springs. We sell them under our name, but they're actually made by Hyperpro. So it's literally just box labeling difference. That's all you get. And yeah, I bought Hyperpro. The instructions came in German. I guess if you buy the Touratech ones, they'd come in English. And it's up to you where you want to get them from. It probably would be cheaper to get them from Hyperpro, but then you've got to pay import tax if you're in Britain now or whatever, so the price might be more. Anyway, just something to take into consideration if you're thinking about getting some. But these progressive springs, oh, so much better. I recommend if you're using any off-road bikes and you just feel the front suspension is not great, just have a look at getting some progressive springs. They're not too expensive, and they're definitely worth the upgrade, and they're quite easy to install. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.